Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to provide you a new promo code for Keychron.com. So stay tuned and please like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. If you will subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, then you will get notification when I upload a new video, then you will get your codes on time. So I highly recommend you to please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So before wasting any time, let's get started. The code number 1 I'm going to provide you is you will get 10% off. So the code number 1 is KCSMN9485V6. This is the code number 1. Simply use this promo code and get your reward. So thanks for watching.